Hi everyone, I'm Brad with Campbell Window Film, and today we're going to discuss building re-imaging. Now what the heck is building re-imaging? We used to refer to this as building wraps or facade resurfacing. What we're doing essentially really is changing the image of the building or changing the perception of the building from the outside. And we do this without taking off any of the existing substrates. You get to keep your glass, you get to keep your window mullions, there's no reglazing, there's no exoskeleton, and there is no recladding. This is a very low cost, by comparison, way to completely transform a commercial building. And that is the topic of today's 2 Minutes on Film. If you're new to this series, I start a 2-minute countdown clock to keep me on task and make sure that I get you the most concise information with the shortest possible video. So I'll start the 2-minute countdown clock right now. The first thing you need to know about facade re-imaging is that it costs less than recladding, reglazing, or wrapping an exoskeleton around your building. Usually about 7 times less. So that's a major benefit. We can do a lot for a lot less. Number 2 is longevity. The products we use for building re-imaging are very strong, durable, exterior, robust materials. For example, the paint we use to resurface the mullions on the aluminum window mullions is a theme park paint. Same product that's used on handrails and on the roller coasters at amusement parks. It's built to last the test of time. What we use on concrete and stucco, the spandrel glass in the windows is very long-lasting exterior grade products as well. We typically tell our clients that you're going to be looking somewhere between 7 to 10 years on a maintenance cycle. Number 3 is there's no downtime to tenants. There's very little disruption at all, in fact. We usually use a swing stage to go up and down on the outside of the building. On low-rise buildings, we'll use boom lifts or maybe scissor lifts. The downtime or the disruption is so minimal compared to a major construction project like reglazing or recladding the building. Number 4 is energy efficiency. In many cases, when we are improving the look of the glass, we're also simultaneously improving the energy efficiency. There's a dual benefit there, aesthetics and energy efficiency. Number 5 is an obvious one. You're going to increase the value of the property when you completely make over the exterior appearance of the building. Not only is it going to have a better reputation and attract better tenants, command higher rent rates, just like with a home, when you change the curb appeal, you increase the value not only to your own property, but to the entire neighborhood. Building facade re-imaging will definitely achieve this for your property. If you found this content useful, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got new videos coming out every week, so we'll see you back here again soon. I'm Brad with Campbell Window Film, and this has been 2 Minutes on Film.